हेलो माय डियर ट्रेडर्स, कैसे हो आप सब आज? क्या आप मार्केट की भूल भुलाया में ट्रैप हो जाते हो? This is because you have not subscribed to our channel till now. Do it now immediately and see the difference. I assure you that you will make good money by just following our levels. Today, we have come up with another video for the analysis of Bank Nifty levels for coming expiry. In our last video last week, we have analyzed the market move towards the bearish side and we witnessed the same. Now let's review the market move that happened last week and how did the market move. This is Bank Nifty chart on the daily time frame. I am purposely analyzing the chart on the higher time frame, that is daily, to give you an insight into the market and what will be my trading plan for the next week. On the 13th of March, market opened with a gap up and thereafter hit the zone of resistance at 40,800 levels, which we had clearly told everyone in our last week video published on the 11th of March 2023. Bank Nifty formed a bearish candle at the zone of resistance and thereafter reversed to hit a low of 39,600 levels in the same trading session on the 13th of March, which was our first target for bearish trades as per the video. After opening gap down on the 14th of March, we again retested the zone of resistance at 40,000 levels and thereafter we remained range bound throughout the session. As it is evident that this low of Bank Nifty, no fresh shorts were added and thus we witnessed a range bound session throughout the day. On the 15th of March we again opened with a small gap up, but all the gains for the day were sold out and we retraced to lower lows for the session and gave a closing at 39,100 levels for the day. On the 16th of March we witnessed a volatile session where we still maintained a bearish trade outlook and trade as per our trading plan. On the 17th of March, Bank Nifty made a strong recovery in the later part of the session, but we closed at the zone of resistance between 39,800 to 40,000 levels. Friends, please don't skip the video as you might miss on the crucial levels and then may make a mistake while trading. So watch the video completely and please like, comment. Also, go just now to press subscribe and bell icon to get personal notifications whenever we upload a new video. Now let's analyze what will be my trading plan for the coming week in Bank Nifty and what will be my levels for trade. Friends, if you see clearly on the chart of Bank Nifty, we have marked the bearish trend line and it's acting as resistance for the Bank Nifty to move in bullish zone, which we had highlighted in our last video also. Friends, this week will be a very crucial for the Bank Nifty and for the bulls. Bank Nifty is presently trading at the zone of decision for the bulls and it's a do or die scenario for the bulls. On the 20th of March, as per my analysis, I expect a flat opening in the Bank Nifty and thereafter we can see a recovery in Bank Nifty where it will again hit a zone of resistance between 40,000 to 40,300 levels. In this scenario, I will avoid to take any bullish trades and will wait for the Bank Nifty to hit zone of resistance, and when Bank Nifty is at 40,300 levels or somewhere near, I will enter a bearish trade with Y stop loss at 40,500 levels. I am expecting Bank Nifty will trap buyers from the bullish up move from 40,000 levels to 40,300 levels and thereafter retrace for the session to 39,700 levels for the session. The next lower high for the Bank Nifty will be at 40,400 levels, which I have marked for all of you on the chart. Friends, I think Bank Nifty will not be able to reach the bearish trend line marked on the chart and will form a lower high as expected. The market still is in the grip of the bears and we expect that all highs will be sold off. The market comes in the grip of the bears as soon as we see the Bank Nifty approaching the zone of resistance. It is faced by heavy selling pressure and drawdown. Thereafter, on the 22nd of March or the 23rd of March, we expect Bank Nifty to break down to further lower lows of 37,600 levels. Yes, 37,600 levels, you heard it correctly. We are expecting Bank Nifty to hit these levels by March expiry and sustain these lows. 37,600 levels is a very strong zone of support for Bank Nifty and they should sustain. Dear friends, till the time Bank Nifty sustains below this bearish trend line, we will witness more correction in the market. My view will become invalid only when Bank Nifty reverses and gives a closing on daily closing basis above 41,200 levels. So, the major trend of the market is bearish, and as per the teachings of the technical analysis, we always trade in the direction of the major market trend. We as a team of King's Falcon traders always wish you lots of profits and happiness. So friends, I will maintain a bearish view for next few weeks as per the levels of the trade shared, and will keep on updating the same in our free Telegram channel. It's very heartening and motivating to read your comments and also to notice that some of you are making good trades by using our levels and thus making good profits. Array friends, please subscribe abhi and make sure that you like, comment on the videos and press the bell icon to stay updated and keep me motivated. Love you all.